I had some big experiences which I haven't even mentioned. You know, there's a first time for everything.
Well, here's your chance now.
Yeah,
Well, there's a first time.
Yeah.
And at the risk of sounding too like gullible or something, I don't know. You can
Doesn't matter. It's all right.
People don't know,
They
know
go-
us from Adam, but when they think that, hold on, these people are talking from a place where it's they're easily or naive or something like this. But I'm not one of them people. But I remember once sitting down with Shaji, and like I mentioned last time, I had a bit of a spiritual issue, which I've never mentioned it by, but
It wasn't a spiritual issue. It was just an issue. जैसे होता है
Just an issue.
Issue से मतलब
It was a-
because you were brought up in UK, things were different for you. You were born here, and cultural and the friends. वो spiritual नहीं था.
you know,
Yeah.
एक issue ऐसा भी, I don't know how I can explain what I saw then, right? Because I remember sitting down and जहाँ वो बैठते थे, उसी line में on the opposite corner I was sat. And believe me, it's not something mangarat khani nahi hoti. It's not something I'm making up. But I literally inside while I was, because I didn't know anybody anyway. So sometimes you just lose focus to what everybody's chatting amongst themselves. And you don't really, you just do your own thing, listen to everybody or look at everybody, what everybody's up to. Especially when they put the dusted hand down and moving plates and whatever. And I remember visualizing just in my mind a light that come through, and I actually felt in my heart as well that it's come through the wall from Nabi Pak sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and it's come straight into Shaji. And I remember just looking up at them, and they were looking straight at me. They were looking straight at me, bro. It's literally, as I looked up, they were looking at me and smiling, and they went like that. And I still remember these little things,
Yes,
Yeah.
But how would you say that works out then, really? Because won't be seeing lights traveling through walls or anything like that. But when you see something like that coming from Nabi, just a random thought, bro. You're not thinking about it. Nothing. Randomly, it just comes in your mind that there's a light. It just come through. You visualize it, and it goes into Shaji, and you look up at Shaji, and he's looking and he's smiling at you. Ishare on there. I think you know what there is a big element of mysticism, big mysticism.
देखो मैं एक बात बताता हूँ कि मैं डैड की वही बात अब मैं दोबारा वहीं पे आऊँगा कि जो इस तरह की चीज़ थी ना, जैसे कि असद बता रहा है, मैं I'll talk on a very broader scale कि things like these जो है ना, they only happen if the main person wants everyone to see that thing or that one particular person.
Yes.
यानी कि while sitting in a room, if my father wanted कि Azim should see that light coming, only Azim would see that light coming.
Yes.
यानी कि that is a level of spirituality you are on or something like that.
Yes.
The thing is कि असद का मैं ये बोलूँगा कि he knew at that time that now in 2020, 16th of August, round about 7 o'clock in Sufi Guidance Studio, he will be sitting here. Everyone who is here at the moment has seen something or the other of this sort of thing.